Alright, let's go to inversion naman. No? So, matrix inverse. Now, we define the inverse matrix of a matrix A. We have the following property. Ang property niya is, yung A inverse, pag multiply mo ng A, or yung A, pag multiply mo ng A inverse, you will get a U, or an identity or unit matrix. Okay? Let's verify that sa isang example. Let's say that our B is simple lang 2, 7, 3, 1. Okay, let's get the B inverse. Okay, using this concept. Okay, let's assume that this B inverse is A, B, C, D. Okay, so pag multiply ko yung 2, 7, 3, 1 by A, B, C, D, okay, ang makukuha ko is, this is 2A saka 7C, 2A plus 7C, so 2B, okay, 2B plus 7D, kasi ito naman 3A plus 1C, tapos 3B plus 1D. Yan. Yun yung concept ulit yan. This is 2A saka 7C, 2B saka 7D, 3A saka 1C, 3B saka 1D. Okay. And this must be equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So, ito yung concept. Therefore, we say that 2A plus 7C is equal to 1, and 3A plus C is equal to 0, 2B plus 7D is equal to 0, and 3B plus 1D is equal to 1. So, gamit ka na lang ng calculator. Okay, gamit ka na lang ng calculator. Okay. Punta ka sa menu, A, tapos 1. Simultaneous equations 2 lang. Start with 2, 7, 1. Okay, 3, 1, 0. So, your answer is what? A is negative 1 over 19, and C is what? And C is 3 over 19. Similarly, what is B and D here? Okay, let's verify. This is okay, this is 2, 7, 0, at saka 3, 1, 1. So, B is 7 over 19, and D is negative 2 over 19. Alright? Therefore, our inverse of a matrix is equal to what? Negative 1 over 19, 7 over 19, 3 over 19, and negative 2 over 19. Okay, let's verify kung satisfy nito yung multiplication. Okay, now dito punta ka sa menu, hanapin mo yung matrix. Okay, so hanapin mo yung matrix dyan. Spreadsheet, table, equations, ratio. complex, this one, base. This is the matrix for equal. Define natin yung matrix A. Okay, this is 2 rows by 2 columns. Okay, let's say matrix B na lang, easy lang. Menu for, okay, matrix B kasi ito, 2. So this is 2 by 2. So matrix B is 2, 7, okay, 3, 1. Now, and then let's define, okay, matrix. Okay, by the way, this is B inverse. Okay, let's define matrix B inverse A. So let's have option, this is AC. Option, define matrix. This time I will define matrix A as 2 by 2. We have negative what? Negative 1 divided by 19. 7 divided by 19. 3 divided by 19. And negative 2 divided by 19. So, okay, this is there. Verify negative 1 over 19. There. Now, let us multiply now A and B. So, option, okay, matrix B times option matrix A. So the result is a unit matrix. Look at this. The result is a unit matrix. Okay. Remember, we multiply now B and A. Okay, we multiply B and A. And this becomes what? A unit matrix. 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Or let's say, okay, I multiply option this time matrix A times matrix B this time. Baliktad naman. You see na pareho lang siya. So yung AB mo is what? Is pareha din. So this is the only time then when matrix multiplication is commutative. So ito yung long method of doing inverse matrix because we deal with system of equations. Okay? Another method of doing inverse of a matrix is using the adjoint, okay, method. Now, what is this adjoint method?